does this happen when creating a table of contents in a Microsoft Word document? It's an easy fix. Navigate to your document information, enter a heading for your information, select the heading, and from the Home menu, choose Heading 1 from the Styles section. Repeat this for how many times you need it. Return to the page where you want to add your table of contents. From the menu, choose References, click Table of Contents, choose your preferential style, and you have created your table of contents in your Word document. However, there is an issue when you add new headings to your document. So if we return to our table of contents, we can see it has not been updated with our newly added section 4. To update your table of contents, right click and choose Update Field. If you choose Update Page Numbers Only, it will not update your table of contents with your new section heading. Choose Update Entire Table and click OK, and your new section heading has been added to your table of contents in your Microsoft Word document. Subscribe for more computer tips and hacks. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.